Good night. My name is Francisco Reta. I'm on Biology 163 with Mr. Greg Johnson, Human Anatomy, and this is practical number 1, which consists of naming different parts of bones in the human body. Okay, so here's how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna be looking at the list of bones you uploaded online, and as I'm gonna be reading each one, I'm gonna be punching out the part of the bone, and I'll be showing you where the bone is, and I might be telling you the function of the bone. So I'm gonna show you the screen on my computer so you can make sure I'm not cheating or I'm not looking at different images where the bone is or anything. So I'm just looking at your worksheet. Here's the screen. Alright, so let's begin by talking about the skull, the human skull. And the first one is the parental. The parental is right here in the human skull. The parental is right here. Then we have the occipital. The occipital is somewhere around here in the human skull. Somewhere around here, occipital, which is right somewhere around here. Zygomatic. The zygomatic is right there. Here's the zygomatic and the zygomatic arch. I don't have a big one, so I can't. But it's right here, zygomatic and zygomatic arch, right there, right here too. See, right here. This is maxilla. The maxilla is right there. Mandle. This is the mandle. The maxilla. Well, what else we got? We got the zygomatic arch, like I said, right there. Zygomatic arch. Then we got the mastoid process, which is right there. Right there. Mastoid process. Forearm magnum. The forearm magnum, it's inside the human skull. It's not, I can't show you like really good, but it's inside. And the styloid process, it's also inside. I mean, I can, you see right there, that's the styloid process. I can take this off. Well, I can, but it will take me a long time. So, but I'm also styloid process inside the skull. Then we go into the tibia, which is in the leg, tibia. Okay, you're asking me about the medial condyle. The medial condyle is right there. That's the medial condyle. That's the lateral condyle. Boop. Medial, lateral condyle. Then we go into the ulna, where the olecranon processes. The olecranon process is right there. Olecranon process, right there. The olecranon process. The olecranon process. We go into the ulnar notch. The ulnar notch. The ulnar notch. The ulnar notch. The ulnar notch right there. Then we go into the back of the human skull. Here is the scapula. The scapula. Where am I? Scapula. I don't see it here. I think I didn't have to tell you about that. Or yeah, pectoral girdle. This is the scapula. The acromion. It's right there. The acromion. Right there's the acromion. Right there. Sorry, it's right there. The acromion, and then we have the coracoid bone right there. And then we have of course the spine right there, the human spine. And then we go into the foot, where the calcaneus is right there. Then we have the tarsals, and then we have the the talus right there. Of course, we have the carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges, just like in the hand. Carpals, metacarpals, phalanges. We go into the thorax now. This is the sternum right there. It's like cartilage, sternum right there. Then we have the manubrium. Manubrium is right there. And then we have the hippoid process, which is right here. Then we have the true ribs, which is 1 through 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we got the last 3, which are the false ribs. They go together. And on the back, we have the floating ribs. This is 1 and 2 floating ribs. Okay. Then we go into the pelvic girdle with the iliac crest. The iliac crest is right there. Iliac crest, where the pelvic is. Then we go to the sacrum, which is right here. The sacrum is right there. Sacrum. Then we go into the coccyx, which is right there. The coccyx. Of course, we have the pubic arch, right there, right here. It's the pubic arch. The pubic arch, and then there's another one. Here's where the baby's born. You were talking about that in the class. I don't remember the name of it. It's pretty easy, but I just don't remember right now. But here's where the female. It's bigger than the man's. You know what I'm talking about. What else we have here? Thorax. I did the thorax, spine, scapula, pelvic. Yeah, I mean, of course, in here we also have the medial epicondyli and the lateral epicondyli. Medial, lateral epicondyli. We have that in the elbows where the joints are in the legs too. So I mean, they pretty much have the same name. Yep, I mean, I think that's it. Well, you also have the vertebrate, axial vertebrate bones. It's not really easy to show you where those are, but I mean, I'm gonna try. This is the spinous process right there, the spinous process. Then we have the vertebral forearm. That's where the vertebrae, like the spinal cord, is. It's inside. All those things are in here. I can't show you because I can't take this off. It will be easier if you had like a worksheet or something that I could just like label the names of it. But the transfer process is right here. The body, and the vertebrae forearm, spinous process, and the transverse forearm is inside here. I can't show you really good. I can't take this skull off. But here is where the forearm magnum is. The forearm magnum is here, where this screw is in the skull. I mean, I wish I could tell you the names of the parts in the spinal cord, but I can't take them off. But I mean, we have the spinous process right here. Then we have the vertebral forearm somewhere around here. The transverse somewhere around here too. Forearm, they're pretty much together. And the vertebrae right there, and the body. Well, it's the whole thing, which is divided in 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Right? Well, thanks a lot. My name is Francisco Rita again, and this was lab practical number 1 for human anatomy with Mr. Greg Johnson. Thank you. Bye.